Hello Internet, this is my first voiceover video. I feel excited and anxious same time. What I have here is a 2012 Royal Enfield Classic 350. It's been with me for last 13 years. It's a basic motorcycle, but with a pleasant exhaust note. Check out the exhaust note here. Classic 350 is built around UCE engine. No electronic fuel injection, no ABS, no fuel indicators. Just basic bike. In 2025 June, I gave the bike to service. Even before the mechanic explained the condition, I knew the bike needed works. Not the surface level works, but much more detailed, below the skin, especially around engine and transmission. But then came a dilemma. Should I spend the money to repair it or should I sell it and upgrade to a 650cc Interceptor or a Bear? Logically, upgrading to a 650cc was more appealing, but this bike had an emotional connect with me. This is the bike my dad gifted me, so I couldn't sell it just like that. With that emotional connect and skeptic mind, I went ahead to repair the bike. My expectations were simple: no cosmetic works. All I wanted was a pure functional machine restored to its initial glory. Detail of the repair is there in my blog. Link is given below. In short, I spent close to 40,000 rupees. Is that 40k worthy is what we are going to see in this video. I observed three distinguishable changes after the repair. The first one was, and the obvious one was, the smoothness. The vehicle became more calm and composed. I could cruise at 60 to 80 kilometers per without any distress. Earlier, before the fix, the experience could be well described as a bone rattling one, but now it is smooth for Royal Enfield standards. And the second obvious thing that I noticed was the stability. Two major accidents within the city took toll on the bike. By God's grace, I am still alive, but the fork and rims both had bends and misalignment. Keeping the bike in straight line drained energy. Due to the misalignments, braking during the turns will spill your soul out. Now that fork and rims are mended, the ride is manageable. Not there yet, but manageable. And the third thing was the top speed. Earlier the top speed was around 90 kilometers per hour. Now after the fix, the vehicle was able to reach to 100 kilometers per hour. And the ride experience was a little different. Earlier, when it hit 90, the vehicle would rattle so bad that you can't hold the handlebar. But now, it's very manageable and it was able to reach up to 100 kilometers per hour. With these three changes, I have decided to keep my Classic 350, mostly for short trips around 300 kilometers. And I have minor mods to accommodate action cameras. I'm planning to use it as a motorcycle rig for short photo trips. I still have complaints on suspension, brakes, and electrical system in general, which I will mend in future. For now, I'm keeping the bike. If you are out there thinking to repair your old Classic 350 or any bike, then prioritize the engine works, clutch and transmission. If these changes convince you to keep it, then keep the vehicle. If not, go for an upgrade. Thanks for watching the video. The entire footage was shot with the Insta360 X3 and a bike mount. The details of this is given in the description. If you are a moto vlogger, I highly recommend you to get this mount. It gives a different perspective about the rider. And with Insta360, you can reframe it to focus on the rider or the road. It's a very convenient tool. And I think this is the only tool you would need for moto vlogging. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.